Welcome back, GLAMFAM. So this is a continuation of my reviews of Dollar Tree, not Dollar General, $1.25. We're going to be doing the under eye concealer with hyaluronic acid. Really going to try that out. We're going to try this matte lip. And we're going to try this eyebrow highlighter, which I'm going to try that on the waterline too, just to see if that works. And we're going to try to use our beauty blender. This came from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 for all three. You got the big, medium, and small. The small I'm going to use for the concealer. This is a great deal. You know, these beauty blenders are pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and open these up and try them out. But first, I want to do a little story time while I was at the Dollar Tree. While I do a little bit of contour and stuff so we can do a kind of a full look. Right, so we were going down the aisles and she was looking at stuff. And this old lady comes up to her and my daughter has red hair, so the lady goes, "Oh my gosh, your hair is so pretty."
Oh my god! Wow!
And my daughter's like, okay, yeah, you know, because everybody tells her that. And she goes, "Oh my god." And she's like looking at me, the old lady, because my daughter doesn't want to look at her. Because she's a little shy sometimes, you know. So then the lady goes, "Well, can I touch your hair?"
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So then my daughter goes, "No," and like giggles.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
And the lady, it was so weird, because then she was staring at her, and then she goes and like does this to her hair. And I'm like, listen, if she said no, then you can't touch her. She said, "Oh, she said no?" And I'm like, yeah. She goes, "Oh, I'm so sorry about that." And I'm like, okay. Okay, you know that you heard her say no. Alright, so I'm just putting, this is going to be like a little full face thing, but just a little something to do these reviews. So now I'm going to go in with the Hydrating Under Eye Concealer. Benefits of an eye cream and concealer all in one. I don't know if you can see, but we're going to try that, and we're going to try it with the small beauty blender. Alright, I'm just going to spray my beauty blender with some setting spray. Just get it wet. Okay. I'm just going to take it, place it here. Now this looks a little dark on me, but that's okay. This is the lightest shade they had, which is fair. Usually fair isn't as fair as I want it to be, but a lot of places don't really go whiter than that. But I'm putting it on the ends and the inside. Let me zoom in for you. So I'm putting it on here, here, and here, okay? Now I'm kind of putting a lot because it's really purple there. Now if you really want to get rid of that purple for real, put green color corrector on there, just a little bit, and then blend that out and put the concealer on top. Just make sure you blend really well. Alright, so we're blending this out. Let's see how it does. I'm using the teeniest beauty blender ever. When I put my foundation on, I did not put it under my eyes. I kept that clear so the concealer can go on. You don't want to put foundation on and then concealer on top, because you don't need foundation there. You know, it's just too much product. So that still hasn't covered this. But it is pretty hydrating. Let's do this side. It still didn't cover all the purple. And let's keep going. I'm going to bring it up here because I have purple, bluish purple right there. And just keep on bringing it around until it's like fully blended in. I think I did pretty good. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on this side where I'm purple, bluish up here. Bring it around. Alright. It's a little like yellowy, orangey. It still didn't cover this. But it's still a little yellowy, you know, but we're going to go ahead and set it. Alright, just with a little bit of setting powder, we're going to go ahead and set that. All the way through, a little bit on the other side. And make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share this out. Like I said in the other video, we'll be doing another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and we are halfway there, so I know we can make it. Alright. Alright, let's see if we can get a little bit close to this eye for the concealer. To me, I mean, for $1.25, this isn't too bad. It didn't do too much here, but it did help a little bit with the blue purple I have under my eye. And it is hydrating, so that's good. So I would say that this is probably around like a light coverage. And for $1.25, for something like this, because I like natural looks, I would actually give it like a 9 out of 10. Not too bad. Really do like it. Our next review is going to be this infused eyebrow highlight crown. It illuminates, helps hide redness and inflammation, lifts the brow, creating a fuller and wider gaze. It's green. It's infused with green tea. So you're supposed to put it underneath your brow. So let's get close here. Let's check. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this on me because I'm so pale, but let's try. I'm going to try to... Ooh! Oh, wow. That's, I don't know if you can see it, but my gosh. I sure can. Do you see that? Wow. I would just move this around a bit with my brush. This is a very small brush. Now it's really hard to blend it out. It's very waxy. That's what it feels like a wax, like a crown. But I have to say, this worked really well. You can see that line. I'm gonna buff it out a little bit more. This, for $1.25, go get it. definitely go get this. It's a crayon, so you're gonna have to sharpen this, but this is very good. Get it.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I'm gonna try it underneath the eye real quick. Let's see what this will look like underneath the eye. Because natural colors of like in your waterline, you know, open your eye a little bit more, but not so much that a white would. Because white ones open it a little too much. And kind of like natural skin tones like this would open up just a little bit as a natural look. And it's now remember, it's not waterproof, so it might come off, but dang, that waterline looks better. I can tell. Waterline looks way better. So let me go and get this face ready for our last and final matte lip review. Alright, so we got little glitteries on our eyes. Aren't these cute? We're gonna do a little extra, which sometimes I like to do. I wanna do fake freckles. Fake freckles. Just random. Wherever. And then the trick with it is blending it out. Now we are blending it out. You can put a little bit more extra foundation on too if you want to blend it out real good. So let's go ahead and blend this out really quick. And that is a little cheat on fake freckles. When you blend them out, they look, they fade out a little bit. Let's go back and finish this off with reviewing this matte lip. I mean, I would, for $1.25, I would give it like a, maybe like a 2 out of 10. It's, I don't like how it says matte and it's not matte. I don't like that. Because they're liars. And I don't like liars, you know. So I don't like them lying to me. Especially if I'm spending $1.25, because that could go to something else. Like a piece of candy or something, you know. But anyway.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
That's definitely like a 2. Alright, Glam Fam, that ends this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, Glam Fam.